Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Rio. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power brakes, trip computer, child safety locks, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, tachometer, trip odometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.